So I'm in Kalamazoo. I'm on my way back to Illinois right now. Let's try the maps. Oh, that's a fish. That's a fish. It's a dink. It's a little smallie. Nice. Little smallie. Let's go. All right. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, there he is. There he is. I got him. All right. Dang, I just lost this fish in these rocks. That was crazy. Okay. Caught our first fish. It's a little tiny smallmouth. Just throwing this little Mepps spinner. I think I have to downsize a little bit, but that was really cool. Here, I'm gonna get this guy back. He just had a traumatic experience. I'm gonna put him back in this crystal clear water. See you, dude. That was crazy. All right, I'm at the Kalamazoo River, as you can see. I'm Dink Dangler. Welcome to Angling with Dink Dangler. I just caught a little dinker on a Mepps spinner. I'm gonna be fishing this creek today. I'm on my way back to Illinois, so I thought I'd stop halfway through the state and do some fishing. This water's clear and it's cold, and I heard there's trout here, so we're gonna be throwing some spinners today. For now, I'm just gonna keep it small and just try and dangle some dinks and do like what we do. So let's try it. Okay, so caught a little smallie on this Mepps. I think I'm gonna downsize to a smaller spinner. Let me get over here real quick. So I've got a little trout colored spinner in here, and I think that's gonna do well for us. Let's see if we can't get another one. There we go, all rigged up. Throw this back in my bag. Okay, let's try this. All right, so that guy came off of this fast moving current here. So I'm just gonna make that same cast basically. All right. One more cast over here. Oh. Check it out. Dude, there's a pike right there. There's a pike just sitting over there. What the hell? That's a good pike. Well, you guys are working right here. Hope they don't mind. I don't have a hard hat. It's small. Got one. Little guy. Little dink smallie. Nice. Little dink schmallie. There he is. All right, little dinker. See you, dude. Nice. I think I should go like down over here. Got one. I'm on. First cast over here with this lure. Nice. All right, we're getting a little bigger. All right, we got another little dink. This one came off the Great Lakes Finesse drop minnow. A little bit bigger size than I'm used to throwing. See you, buddy. Nice. Let's go. Let's try and get another one. It's almost like a soft jerk bait, the way I'm flinging this guy around. Hopefully we can catch a big fish. Let's try over here. It's like a little bit calmer on this side. Let's try a straight retrieve. Oh, there's a fish. Peeled off. There's a fish following it. Alright, let's try that straight retrieve. All right, we're back over here. Oh my God. These rocks are not cool to walk on. Wherever this dumps out, seems good. I feel like these fish are gonna be in the sun. Oh, got one. Oh, dude. Is it a bass? Oh yeah, he's in the grass. Another little dinker. A little river dinker. All right, another little river dinkski. Let's get him back. See you, dude. I had him in a bunch of grass. There's a smallmouth right here. I don't know if he saw me or not. Oh, something just hit top water over there. Oh, how do I get on that side? Cast across, that's how. There's one. That feels decent. That feels decent. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Ooh, airborne. I knew there was gonna be a decent one over there. Still a dink, but still a dink, but they fight hard in this current. All right, first decent fish of the day. Oh, there's a big school. There's a school of followers. Come on. Come on. Yes, there we go. Nice fish. Hooked him right in the top of the mouth. Still got our bait. We're unhooked. Nice fish. Decent. Nice. There's our first nice one of the day. There's our first decent fish of the day. Little schmally. And as you can see, I'm holding it vertically. No stress on that lower jaw. And he's going back. See you, bud. Didn't mean to belly flop you like that, but yes, dude. First decent fish. All right. Upsized our bait a little bit, then we got hit. I'm excited. That was an okay one. I'm gonna go take a break, but before I do, I just want to hit this spot up. So I didn't really hit it with drop shot before. There's grass on my line, but I don't even care. Okay, I think there's trout in this little creek. So I got this tiny finesse plastic on a tiny hook, And then let's see if I can catch a trout. All right, so I'm editing this video right now. I'm sitting at my dining room table and just remembering like the frame of mind I was in when I was filming this. There were signs all around this park that said, "Don't move the rocks, they keep trout happy." So in my mind, I'm like, oh, there's trout in this creek. And I did see a few larger trout in that main part of the Kalamazoo River. So I'm like, oh, maybe they're in, the signs were like all near this creek. So that's my excuse for my confirmation bias of wanting to believe that these creek chub were trout. I was like wetting my hands and like doing all like the, what I think, I don't know. I'm a freaking bass fisherman, dude. I haven't seen a trout outside of a grocery store as a fillet since I was like, caught one at a trout farm when I was like one of those like where you throw corn and then you get to keep whatever you catch out of the little pond, when I was like 10 years old or something. So here goes nothing. Check out this, my trout segment. There's some little ones over here, and then I saw a little bit bigger one down there. So I'm just gonna be super stealthy. And they're just hanging in this creek right here. Oh, we hit it. I got one. No way, no way, no way, no way. Oh, dude, I have one. Saw him eat it. Let's see if there's something under here. I got like a little bit bigger one to come out for it. Let's see, can I cast this? Oh yeah. Alright, I can kind of work this bait. So they're onto me now, but I think if I walk this down, I might be able to find a bigger one. Alright, there's a bunch down here. This is perfect, because if I get one, I can wet my hands. They all went for it right away. All went for it. See one big one over there? Got one, got one, got one, got one, got one, got one. No way. Dude. What is it? It's a little trout. Hang on, let me wet my hands. Guys, what kind of fish is this? I think it's a trout, but I'm not sure what kind of trout. All right, gonna send it back. See you, dude. Dude, I'm pretty sure these are little tiny trout. I'm not sure what kind. They don't have all that cool colors. They're hitting the weight. Their mouths aren't that small. There's actually more like, oh yeah, there's, oh god. There's more like in the tree right here. They're pretty aggressive. I was like sneaking, oh god. Oh, I just sank so deep in that mud. They're pretty aggressive. I was like being really cautious before, but they're hitting it like right on the drop. Had one. That was sick. What kind of trout are these? Or are they just like creek chub? I don't think it's a creek chub. Got one. Got another one. What's this one? Is it the same? Yeah, it's the same. Here's another one. I'm not really sure what kind of fish these are, but they look like trout. Some kind of trout. Let's See you, bud. There he is, right there. Catch him by hand. There he is. All right, see you, dude. They're cool. All right, I found another part. There's a little bit more current. See how muddy it is. Well, it's not too bad. Let's see if there's anything right here. I don't see anything. Looks really, really shallow right here. A lot of ripples. Oh, I just spooked something. It's over there. Let's see if I can go down on the end of this. There's a lot of frogs. Oh, it's way deeper right here. Found a deep pool. Let's see. Walking real slow because I'm sinking. Oh God. Okay. Oh, it's way deeper right there. There might be a bigger one in here, you guys. I see them all. I got one. Oh, I had one. Oh, there's a bigger one right there. Got hit. Oh, I got one. I got a decent one. I got a decent one. I got a decent one. All right. You wet my hands. What is that? Dude, you guys. Caught a freaking, is that a creek chub? That looks like a creek chub. He's got a weird face. Oh no, I lost him. He just came off. But he came off and then he fell back into the creek. That's okay, he swam off good, so that's all we're worried about. I don't know what these are, but they're freaking sick. Let's try on this side. Got one. That one I got. For sure. Oh no! Stay there. There we go. Got him. Well, there he is. There's another one. That's cool. See you, dude. Alright, I'm gonna fool around with these. Oh, did it eat my tail? Nope. Still got a tail. God, there's a decent one back here. They're on to me. Got him. Oh, why are they coming off so easy? Need more of the hook exposed. All right, we're back kind of where we started. Let's see if I can get another one over here. There were some bigger ones out by that tree. I was just like hanging in that tree right there. These ones are hungry over here. Got one. That's a little bit better. Nice. my hand. Nice, dude. Check that guy out, dude. They're super neat. Cool fish. All right. Whoa. Not a very graceful release, but we got one. Yes. There's a lot of grass down on this side. I don't know if they're gonna be by the grass. Really don't know much of anything. Oh, there's a crawfish right there. That's cool. I don't see any fish in the grass. Also, this is kind of, I feel like I'm gonna get a tick. Ah! All right, that's pretty much the end of the road. Let's try out here. All right, I'm just gonna cast my way out of here. Just gonna throw this. Can't believe I haven't caught a fish here yet. There's one. That's funny. It's little, but it's a fish. Woo. Yes. Nice. It's a little smallie, and might be our last fish of the day, so I'm gonna get this guy back. There he goes. Well, I gotta get out of here soon, but it's been fun. And yeah, I'm just gonna make a couple more shoreline casts because we haven't done that all too much in this area. It's out over here. There's one. I didn't even know I had him. Let's go. It's a little bit bigger. Hooked him perfectly. All right, another little smallie. So I learned something recently. A viewer told me you're supposed to only hold fish like this because if you get them up to like this point, it can put unnecessary stress on their jaw. So I'm trying to be a little bit more sensitive to that. These fish are really pretty and I like catching them and I want to be as respectful as I can, so we're gonna get him back. I can't really get to the bank here, so I'm just gonna give him a little toss head first. Yes, nice. Got another one. I've got like 10 minutes to fish. There's one. That feels better. That feels better. Oh, did he come off? No, I still got him. I still got him. Whoa, 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 whoa. Uh-oh. He's underneath this log. I got him. Yes. Wow, he's a really healthy looking guy. All right, got another little schmally. This is like one of the better ones of the day. Still a dink, but he's about like an 8-incher. It's a nice fish. Set this guy right here. See, dude. Yes, so let's go. All right, I think I'm gonna call it. Well, I'm gonna be getting out of here. I gotta get back on the road and head to Chicago, but as always, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw today, please like and subscribe, and leave me a comment. Let me know at the bottom what you thought. I'm done. That was such a fun day. This is such a cool place. I mean, look at this river. Just so vast, and it's super clear. I mean, dude, you could see all the way to the bottom. You see every freaking rock in this river. It's so cool, dude. You gotta love fishing places like this. So thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'm Dink Dangler. I'll see you next time.
Look, there's one. Got him. Nice, dude. Yes.